And every morning I sit up in bed and have coffee and read the paper, something that I could only do on Sundays before. So, and I credit Pat Moran with doing that for me. Hi, I'm Doris Wood, and I'm a real person. And I met Pat Moran through an AFLI education seminar that my employer put on, City of Flagstaff.
It was a workshop, understanding your money. It's kind of a basic workshop.
And I've always been interested in this topic, but I didn't know too much about it, and I certainly didn't know how to go about learning more. And so I attended this workshop, found it fascinating.
Dorris came up to me afterwards and said that she has an account with a financial advisor locally and doesn't know anything about it and hasn't been performing well, and then had some question on some other things, some other monies that they had in regards to their finances. So after the program, I said, sure, I'll be happy to meet with you. So we met at Wildflower.
And so the following week, I asked him, would you agree to be my financial advisor? We met, he met my husband, and we just clicked. He was a wonderful guy, and he just looked at all of our possibilities. I was flirting with retirement at the moment, but probably was a little scared that I couldn't make that leap.
I literally found a chunk of money that they didn't even know they had. And I mean, it was a fairly substantial chunk of money, and it led into some other things. So what was great about the story was when I met her originally, her and her husband, she had a plan to retire in about 3 years, and because we were able to get her a better feel for their finances, found a couple things that they didn't know they had, were able to restructure some income and things of this nature, she was able to retire 2.5 years earlier.
I'm confident of the future. I know that I'm not going to run out of money, and I will be able to live a comfortable life. My needs are small, I don't have grand tastes, but still, one likes to do fun things, as well as pursue education and pursue travel. And those things are possible for me. And every morning I sit up in bed and have coffee and read the paper, something that I could only do on Sundays before. So, and I credit Pat Moran with doing that for me.
Hi, my name is Pat Moran. I've been doing this for over 30 years, helping people to have a successful retirement and protecting against those things during retirement that can really cause your situation to unravel, such as long-term care and unexpected illness. So I'd love to help you figure out what your retirement's going to be, and more importantly, how we can make your income last and protect you throughout your golden years.